If you are a Nigerian and you are tired of embassy queue, agents, visa stress, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you some Asian countries that you as a Nigeria passport holder can apply to with just an e-visa. Let's get into it. First of all, what is an e-visa? Ask yourself. So an e-visa is a visa you apply online. It is an electronic visa. So you apply online, upload your documents, pay your application fee, and get your visa by email. It shock you. I am going to list 4 easiest Asian countries that a Nigeria passport holders can apply to. So number 1 is Malaysia, number 2 is Indonesia, number 3 is Pakistan, and number 4 is Thailand. All these countries that I mentioned offers e-visa, so that means you do not need to go to the embassy. You just need to stay in your home and then apply online. You only need just apply online, submit your documents, and wait for approval. Once your visa got approved, once your e-visa got approved, you are going to get it by mail and then fly to your destination. So if you found this helpful, comment the country you want me to break down step by step, including the documents and the cost. Subscribe if you want real visa and travel tips for Nigeria or any African country, not agent story. Thanks for watching.